again. It's a redskin.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best locks for storage units in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Piroma Combination Lock. Piroma is a 4-digit lock that offers 10,000 combinations. The shackle has a diameter of 0.25 inches, and the lock is suitable for gymnasiums, schools, toolboxes, etc. A numeric combination makes it easy to reset your preferred number and avoid the hassle of carrying keys. When setting the combination, the side window allows you to view it easily. This mini-sized black lock is made of zinc and alloy and comes in a pack of 2. Watch this video of the product for more information. Special design, compact size, lightweight, and convenient for you to store and carry. Side windows for easy combination viewing. High security, 4-digit offers 10,000 combinations for added security compared with 3-digit. Set your mind at rest while doing your sports or job. Resettable, numeric combination design makes it easy to set and reset your own preferred combination and hassle-free to carry the key. Widely used, suitable for school gym locker, sports locker, fence, toolbox, case, hasp storage, and etc. Package content. The package comes with 2 packs of zinc alloy 4-digit resettable black combination locker locks. Ideal gift to your friends, classmates, and etc. Number 9. Abloy Protect 2PL362. If you looked at the last Abloy on this list and thought, that is almost what I want. If only it were even bigger, stronger, and more expensive, this is the lock for you. What the Abloy 362 gives you as a storage lock is a thicker shackle and lock body. We are talking about a 5mm edition of solid steel. This might not be the right fit for every storage unit due to the physical size, but if it does work out, it is an incredible amount of security. When it comes to height, this lock is 95.7mm tall. That is almost 4 inches tall, over an inch wide, with a 1/2-inch shackle. And this is all hardened steel. This lock is a statement when you put it on your storage unit. With its chrome finish and size, it is a hard storage lock to miss. But even as hard as it is to miss, it is much harder to break open. Similar to the smaller Abloy, very few people will pick this lock open, but even fewer will be able to cut it open. Number 8. Abloy PL342T. The Abloy 342 makes for a great storage lock. The shroud is a continuous length of metal from the body of the padlock. The shackle is nice and thick, but it would still be able to fit 2 thick links of chain between it. If your storage unit is chained closed, this is a very good lock, but you can also use this lock inside your storage unit. Motorcycles or large machinery can be chained up and locked with the storage unit itself for additional security. The core is extremely secure against most forms of covert entry. There are not many people who are going to pick this lock open. Bump keys do not work just because the discs inside need to be rotated and not elevated. The shackle is going to mess up most bolt cutters, but it can be cut by some of the larger models using the most expensive blades. It is certainly formidable, but it is not infallible. For the schematics of this lock, we are looking at a 10mm shackle with a 25mm lock body. There is a good weight to this lock, and even though you might lose some of the polish off of the chrome finish, this lock will hold up to quite a bit of weathering. Number 7. Kwikset 50mm Smart Key Padlock. One of the challenges of owning a keyed padlock is keeping up with the darn keys. Kwikset solves this problem by allowing users to custom key the padlock to match any Kwikset house key. Not only does this reduce the chances of losing the padlock key, but it also lightens the load on one's keychain. In addition to helping owners keep track of their storage unit key, this model prevents the problem of owners locking themselves out of a unit by requiring the key to be inside to close the lock. The Kwikset Smart Key consists of a molybdenum shackle that resists cutting and has a 1 1/8 inch opening, which is suitable for larger hasps. As the industry leader, Kwikset has provided trusted security for over 60 years and has become synonymous with security, peace of mind, style, and innovation. Now you can use the same key to unlock your home and padlock. Kwikset Smart Key accessories are ideal for landlords who need to rekey locks often. The satin chrome finish gives the product a modern and minimalist look. Number 6. Master Lock Heavy Duty Outdoor Padlock. With its laminated steel construction, this padlock's weatherproof body is suitable for locks that must endure the elements. It comes with a flex-fit cover that covers the gaps between the shackle and lock body, preventing moisture from getting in and causing corrosion inside the lock. Though the shackle is thinner than others with its 5/16 inch diameter, the boron carbide material better resists cutting than standard hardened steel. This keyed lock also includes 5 pins as opposed to the 4 found on most padlocks, so it is more difficult to defeat by lock picking. The opening on this lock is larger than a standard padlock at 1 1/8 inch by 7/8 inch, which is a size suitable for larger hasps. Number 5. Master Lock Magnum M40 XD Discus Padlock. The Magnum offers a higher level of protection than most disc lock padlocks, thanks to a shackle made of boron carbide, which is harder and therefore more difficult to cut through than hardened steel. The tougher shackle coupled with its shrouded design makes the Magnum very effective at resisting bolt cutter attacks. The opening between the shackle and lock body is just 7/8 inch, allowing for a snug fit on most hasps for difficult access with a pry bar. The lock's plastic cover has a slide that allows the owner to cover the keyhole, protecting it from the elements while preventing the lock from scratching the surface of the storage unit. Number 4. Brinks Stainless Steel Resettable Combination Padlock. For those who don't like trying to keep up with keys for a padlock, this model from Brinks offers the same high-level security as a disc lock with a 4-digit combination. Unlike other combination-style locks, this model allows the user to customize the combination, reducing the odds of forgetting the combination later. The disc shape features an extended shroud that prevents prying while making it difficult to attack the bolt with cutters. Its 3/8 inch hardened steel shackle is the same size as those found on keyed disc locks. With a stainless steel body that resists corrosion, this lock is a suitable choice for outdoor use. Number 3. Abu's 3780 Granite Alloy Steel Padlock. Those looking for a higher level of security who are willing to spend considerably more on a lock should consider the Abu's 3780 Granite. This padlock increases security with a thicker shackle that measures 1/2 inch in diameter, an increase over the standard 3/8 inch diameter shackle found on most locks. An extended lock body provides added protection by making it more difficult to attack the bolt with bolt cutters. A small 7/8 inch diameter hole helps prevent pry bar attacks. These features give the Granite a score of 10 on the Abu scale, a ranking high enough for use in areas where there is a high risk of theft. And with its anti-corrosion coating, the Granite padlock is suitable for outdoor use. Number 2. Master Lock 40 DPF Stainless Steel Discus Padlock. This disc padlock from Master Lock offers a formidable level of security at a very low price. The discus padlock consists of a 3/8 inch hardened steel shackle surrounded by a stainless steel body that's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The lock's 7/8 inch diameter opening between the shackle and the lock body is large enough to fit most hasps without leaving extra space for pry bar attacks. The keyed lock, which comes with 2 keys, uses a locking lever mechanism that resists lock picking. The disc-shaped design keeps the bulk of the shackle protected by the lock body, so it is very difficult to defeat this lock with bolt cutters. Number 1. Abu's 2070 Discus Stainless Steel Padlock. Abu's has a reputation for making some of the toughest padlocks to defeat, and its 2070 Discus Padlock is no exception. It may be one of Abu's more affordable models, but it has the formidable construction found on the brand's high-end locks, including hardened stainless steel construction. It also has features shoppers won't find on most disc locks, such as an anti-drill plate. With a disc cylinder design that creates a tight fit around the hasp, the 3/8" shackle is well protected against pry bars. An extended shroud covers the bulk of the hasp, so it is very difficult to access the lock with a bolt cutter. The lock scores a 9 on ABUSA's 20-point security scale, which is a rating suitable for storage units located in areas with a medium risk of theft and break-ins.